I'm Chef Sky from Infuzed Cookin. Welcome to my Colorado kitchen. Today we're going to talk about Portos Bakery unboxing and product review. Portos Bakery offers the highest quality Cuban cakes and pastries from their online bakery. In this video, you'll find out why quality is the #1 ingredient. Portos Bakery is a wide assortment of we make it, you bake it items baked in 3 easy steps. Thank you, and let's get infused. Rosa Porto was born on the island of Cuba, where she grew up surrounded by the smell of sweet creations made from recipes brought by her mother, who is originally from Galicia region of Spain. Rosa began baking and selling cakes to friends and family in California that heard of her fabulous cakes back in Cuba. Within a couple of years, it was not uncommon to see a line of customers picking up cakes from Rosa's small home. In 1976, Rosa opened up her first official storefront, Portos Bakery on Sunset Boulevard in Echo Park, California. Portos took the #1 spot on Yelp's top 100 places to eat in the U.S. Rosa's recipes and high standards continue to be carried on by her family, reflective of her motto, quality is the #1 ingredient in everything we do. We make it, you bake it. Portos pastry chefs work hard to ensure your baking process is smooth and fun. Get baking in as little as 3 steps. Portos Cuban cakes and pastries are accompanied by their signature cheese rolls. The cheese rolls is Portos' most popular pastry, selling millions of pieces every year, and their famous potato ball, among other international sweet and savory items. Preheat oven to 400 degrees. While oven is preheating, stack 2 baking sheets, one on top of the other. Place provided parchment paper on the top baking sheet. Then place pastries on parchment paper and make sure the pastries have at least a ½ inch of space between each piece to bake evenly. Place the 2 baking sheets in the middle of the oven. Bake the pastries 20 to 30 minutes in a conventional oven, 15 to 20 minutes for convection, or until golden brown. Because all ovens vary, check the pastries 5 minutes before the recommended baking time. When the pastries are done, remove them from the oven. Let the pastries cool down completely before you enjoy them, which takes about 15 minutes, since the filling takes longer to cool. I highly recommend Portos cheese rolls. They are awesome, and I can see why they're the most popular selling pastry. The potato balls and empanadas are also superb and easy to make. Everything I tried from the online bakery was only 3 easy step directions to be surrounded by the smell of international sweets and savory items made from the recipes of Rosa Porto. Reflective of her motto, quality is the #1 ingredient in everything we do. I'm really looking forward to receiving my next delicious order of cheese rolls from Portos Bakery. Thank you for watching Infused Cooking, and happy baking.